Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to add refrigerant to your Buick Encore's air conditioning system. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Next, start your vehicle and turn the air conditioning to its maximum setting. This ensures the compressor is engaged and ready to accept the new refrigerant. Finally, identify the low-pressure service port, which is crucial for proper connection. Now, let's connect the refrigerant can. Take the quick connect fitting from your refrigerant can and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port you just located. Listen for a click to confirm a secure connection, preventing any refrigerant escape. The gauge on your can will immediately display the current pressure within your AC system, giving you a baseline reading before adding more. With the can connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and gently squeeze the trigger for about 5 to 10 seconds. Release the trigger and check the pressure gauge to see the system's new reading. Continue this process, adding refrigerant in short bursts until the gauge indicates the pressure is within the recommended range, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Once the pressure is correct, carefully disconnect the refrigerant can from the low-pressure port. You should immediately notice colder air blowing from your vehicle's vents, indicating a successful recharge. Remember, it is crucial not to overfill the system, as excessive pressure can cause significant damage to your air conditioning components. Enjoy your newly refreshed, cool air.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.